Hello babies. Which is color? This is black color. Let's learn to draw to the shape. Fawn. Cube. This is cube shape. This is cuboid shape. Crescent. This is cross shape. Clouds. Baby pink color. In cone shape. Blue color. In a cube shape. What is shape, baby? This is cube shape. Brown color. In cuboid shape. What is shape, baby? This is cuboid shape. Yellow color. This is crescent shape. Red color. In a cross shape. Red color. In a cross shape. What is shape, baby? This is cross shape. Sky blue color. In cloud shape. What is shape, baby? This is cloud shape. Let's learn revised shape. Cone, cube, cuboid, crescent, cross, clouds.